Leave Bobby the little water droplet wipes his face and shouts, "Who put salt in the entire ocean?" The waves splash, the fish giggle. In Bobby's imagination, a mountain-sized pile of salt appears. The answer might surprise you. Bobby looks at a sparkling river flowing into the sea. Wait a second, he says rivers taste fresh. If rivers flow into the ocean, where does all the salt come from? Captain Coral zooms in with a shiny explorer hat. Great question, Bobby. Grab your bubble boots, let's investigate. Their adventure begins high in the mountains, where raindrops patter onto rocks. Professor Earth appears with a friendly smile. Rainwater may look simple, but as it moves over rocks, it picks up tiny bits of minerals. Bobby squints. Tiny bits, I can barely see them. Exactly, says Professor Earth. They are super small, but there are lots and lots of them. The mineral spikes slide into little streams. The streams join bigger rivers. The rivers race past forests, valleys, and waterfalls. Captain Coral points ahead. Next stop, the ocean. Rivers deliver tiny amounts of salty minerals every single day. Bobby gasps, every day, even when I'm taking a nap. Even then, Captain Coral laughs. Suddenly, time spins forward. Days become years. Years become thousands of years. Thousands become millions. Again and again, rivers bring minerals to the ocean. Salty Sam, a cheerful little salt crystal, pops up with a twirl. Howdy, Bobby, I'm one of those minerals. Small alone, but powerful with my salty friends, Bobby scratches his head. But if rivers keep bringing water into the ocean, why doesn't the salt just wash away? Professor Earth raises one finger. Because water can leave the ocean by evaporation. The sun warms the sea. Tiny water droplets float upward into the sky and become clouds. But look closely, says Professor Earth. The water rises, but most of the salt stays behind. Salty Sam dances on a wave. That's why the ocean stays salty, Bobby smiles. So rivers bring minerals from rocks, and when water evaporates, the salt is left behind. Exactly, says Captain Coral. And here's something amazing. Adds Professor Earth, the ocean covers most of our planet, and sea creatures have special bodies. They help them live in salty water. Bobby cheers. Now I know the secret of the salty ocean. Today we solved the mystery. But countless mysteries are still hiding deep beneath the waves, and even in a tiny drop of water.